Have you ever wondered how your eyes know an apple is red, the sky is blue, or grass is green? It's inside your eyes every single second. Let's discover how it works.
Everything starts with light. Even though sunlight looks white, it's actually made up of many different colors. These colors travel together as a single beam until something separates them. When light hits an object, something amazing happens. The object absorbs some colors and reflects others. A red apple absorbs almost every color into your eyes. Now let's follow that red light inside the eye. It first passes through the clear cornea, then enters through the pupil. Next, the lens bends the light and focuses it perfectly onto. Now we're inside the retina. This thin layer is packed with millions of tiny light-detecting cells. There are two main types, rods and cones. Rod cells are the experts at seeing in very dim light. They help you find your way at night, but they can't detect colors. That's why, when it's really dark, but when there's plenty of light, another amazing group of cells takes over. They're called cone cells. These tiny cells let you see the colorful world around you. Each type of cone cell is most sensitive to a different color of light. One responds best to red light, another to green light, and the third to blue light. Together, but your brain doesn't see just red, green, or blue. Instead, it compares how strongly each cone cell responds. By mixing these signals together, your brain. But what if one type of cone cell doesn't work properly? That's exactly what happens in most people who are colorblind. Their eyes still detect light, but some color inside the brain, these color signals travel through the optic nerve to a special area called the visual cortex. This amazing part compares red, green, and blue cones. But what happens if some of these cone cells don't work properly? This is called color blindness. It doesn't mean a person sees only black and white. For example, someone with red-green color blindness may find it difficult to tell red and green apart because one type of cone cell is missing or isn't more similar than they do to most people. Red-green color blindness is the most common type, but it's not the only one. Some people have trouble telling blue and yellow apart, and in very rare case, a person may see almost no color at all.
Color blindness is usually inherited, meaning people are born with it because of the genes they receive from their parents. It isn't a disease. So, every time you look at a rainbow, a flower, or a beautiful sunset, millions of tiny
So when you see something purple, your eyes aren't detecting a special purple light. Instead, your brain receives strong red and blue signals, combines them, and creates the color purple for you. Isn't that amazing? Purple is one of the few colors that your brain actually creates instead of directly detecting from light. The next time you see something purple, remember,